Live from the Everett Theater in Middletown, Delaware, it's the Tim Qualls Show. Tonight, Tim welcomes Gary Cogdale, Stage Lights Dance Studio, and Elvis impersonator Jim Barone. And now, here's the talker of the town, Tim Qualls.
Yeah, is this for real? We're actually doing this now? Okay, all right. Well, that part went off pretty good, I think. So we've been having fun. Have you guys been enjoying yourselves? Yeah. I mean, as long as Brittany's back there, she gave all the instructions. I saw that going on. So we got a good show, though. I was excited because I found out Madison Cook and Victoria Rodriguez, they are the national dance champions out there. So we're going to talk to them and have them perform there from Stage Lights Dance Studio. I really like it. In case you're wondering, I usually have a co-host. I guess he didn't make it out of the bar tonight because that's usually where he starts at, but he's feeling a little under the weather. Budweiser poison, they call it, but he'll be back with us next week. Gary Cogdale in the session, really good entertainers here, and of course, as I told you guys earlier, I did bump into him backstage, and I don't know if I've ever seen anybody look closer to the real thing than this guy that's backstage right now, Mr. Elvis Presley, Jim Barone. Big hand for him. Big hand for yourselves. We're going to take a quick commercial break. When we come back, we're going to get started with the young ladies from the dance studio. So stay with us. Be right back right after this.